everybody, I hope you're all doing well. Let's do a get ready with me for filming my Taishan dance videos for the upcoming series that I'm creating right now. So usually don't wear makeup for my videos, but I thought as it is a series, I wanted to be a bit more put together. Let's start with concealer. I don't think I need it, but just to brighten a little bit, just gonna pat it like this with my finger. Color is actually very on point, which I like. Color I'm using is almond. If you're looking for your right shade and you kind of have the same skin than me, or just so you have an idea, this is almond. I love these. These are my favorites. This color actually here is my fave. I think it's this one. I don't know, I just feel like it's giving a very natural. I have very dry lips, so I'm gonna use from Shein again. Just bought few things from Shein to try it on, and I love most of them. Really love the quality of it. Mascara, it's from Catrice. I haven't had mascara from Shein. Really love those kind of plasticky one. I don't know if you can see. For my lashes, anyways. I don't need to do it, but I just received this one yesterday, which is a highlight. I swatched it on my hand. And look how pretty it is first, right? Very cute. The color is tea cake. I'm just gonna put one and one. Look how pretty it is. Very natural looking. I love it. Should I put more? And maybe let me check in the mirror because what am I doing? And it's so natural, like it's so pretty. And then I'm just gonna do it here as well. Yeah. Should I put a bit on my? You know what? I'm gonna put a bit on my back of my hand. So pretty. And then blend it because it's liquidy, right? And it looks super natural actually. I really like it. I like it. I like it. Just add. Yes, yes. I like it. You know. There you go. Simple, quick, and easy. Nothing too crazy. There you go. Simple. Yeah, I like it. So this is my look to film my little videos for the upcoming series that's coming. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.